ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ SSLC ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. So we have received a very good response from across the Karnataka, and it gives very motivation for us to make even better and better videos. So please keep sharing the videos among your friends, okay, so that we are able to give you the best videos. Okay, so in this today's class we will start with the exercise about arithmetic progression. Okay, first exercise. Okay. So let's start the class. So the first exercise, first question, here you can see, in which of the following situation, okay, does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Okay, so ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಯಾವ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಪಟ್ಟಿಯು ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿಯನ್ನುಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಏಕೆ? ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿ, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is 15 rupees for the first kilometer and 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. Okay, so here you need to understand the key points. What are the key points? For the first kilometer the taxi fare is 15 rupees, isn't it? And for each additional kilometer, they are charging 8 rupees. Okay, so this you can write with the help of a progression. Okay, so first we will see for the first kilometer, what is the fare for the first kilometer? It is 15 rupees, 15. Okay, as it is the first number, shall I call it as A1, first term, modala pada? Next, can you tell me for the second kilometer? For the second kilometer, see, it is 15 rupees for the first kilometer, and for the next kilometer it is 8 rupees. How much? It is 23 rupees. 23. And shall I call it as A2, second term? Similarly, okay, for the third term, okay, for the third kilometer, yes, it is 15 for the first kilometer, for the second kilometer 8 rupees, for the third kilometer it is again 8 rupees. Okay, so how much you will get? 23 plus 8, okay, it is 31. So rupees 31, it is A3. Okay, so you can ask me how many terms we need to find in order to decide whether it is a AP or not. So minimum you can find for 4 terms. Okay, next, for the fourth kilometer, yes, it is 15 rupees for the first kilometer, second kilometer 8, third kilometer 8, and again fourth kilometer 8. So if you add, you are going to get 39, which is A4. Okay, so these are the terms you get for first kilometer to fourth kilometer. Now we'll see, we'll try to find the common difference. Okay, we'll try to find the common difference. Yes, so I'll find a common difference as A2 minus A1. ಎರಡನೇ ಪದ minus ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪದ. Yes, what is A2? It is 23 minus A1 15. So we are going to get 8. A2 minus A1 8. Similarly, I will find A3 minus A2. Okay, so what is the common difference? You can take the common difference as a difference between any two consecutive numbers. ಎರಡು ಕ್ರಮಾನುಗತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A3, what is the A3 value? 31 minus A2 value, it is 23. So again you are going to get 8. Okay, and finally even you can go for A4 minus A3. A4 39 and A3 31, you are going to get 8. Okay, so in all the cases you are getting a difference same. I mean you are getting common difference same. So if you get common difference same in each and every case, then I can say the given situation follows an arithmetic progression. Okay, now students, see the second question. The amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, so first you need to understand the key words. So removes 1/4. Okay, 1/4 means you can say even 25%. Okay, 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, now Let me consider a cylinder. Okay, now how much air is present inside it? Let me take the amount of air present here is x. Okay, so I'll write the same thing. Okay, so the amount of air present is equal to x. Amount of air present x. Now you need to remove 1/4 of this volume. 1/4 of this volume. Okay, that is going to be the next term. You see. So I'll remove. I mean first removal. Okay, so first removal is indicated with the A2. Okay, as it is A1. Okay, because x volume of air is present in the cylinder, so I'll call it as A1. Next A2. Okay, how you have to get 1/4 of the present volume. Okay, 1/4 of x should be removed from the present volume. Okay, they told air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So in the first instance, at a time the volume present was x, isn't it? Then I am removing 1/4 of that from the x. Okay, now I'll make both as fractions. Okay, how to simplify? So you can cross multiply or take LCM. I'll go with the LCM. LCM is 4. Okay, and 1 into 4, 4, and here also 4, 4x minus 4 into 1, 4, and into 1, 1 into x, just x. So how much? It is 3 by 4x. Okay, 3 by 4x. Okay, this is going to be your A2. Okay, it is going to be A2. So this is remaining. Remaining air. Okay, after the first removal, the remaining air is 3 by 4x. Okay, now it is very important. Next one of the second one. Okay, now second removal. Okay, second removal I'll indicate with A3. Yes, again you need to remove 1/4 of the air remaining. Now tell me how much air is remaining. You can see 3 by 4 of x is remaining. Okay, so I need to remove 1/4 of 3 by 4x, isn't it? From how much is present? 3 by 4x is present, isn't it? Now we need, this is going to be so 3 by 4x minus 1 into 3, 3 divided by 4 into 4, 16x. Yes, now you need to simplify this. I'll simplify again by taking LCM. What is LCM of 4 and 16? The LCM is 16. Now 4 into 4, 16, and into 4, so we'll get 12x minus 16 into 1, 16 into 1 means 3x. So you're going to get a 9 by 16x. So now after second removal, the remaining air is 9 by 16x, not x. That you need to remember. Okay. Yes. Third removal. A4 equal to, yes, I need to remove 1/4 of remaining air. How much is remaining? 9 by 16x from how much is present? 9 by 16x. 9 by 16x minus, yes, multiply numerator, it is 9 divided by 16 into 4, 64x. Yes, what is the LCM of 16 and 64? As 64 is divisible by 16, 64 is your LCM. 64. Yes, 16 into 4, 64. So into 4, 36x minus 64 into 1, 64 into 1, 9x. So you're going to get 27 by 64x. Okay, fine. Now, so we have got 4 terms: A1, A2, okay, A3, and A4. Now we'll take the difference. If the difference is same every time, then I can say this is going to be an AP. Otherwise, it is not. Okay. Just tell me what do you think. So I'll first find A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, isn't it? Yes, tell me A2 value 3 by 4x minus a1 is x. X you can write x by 1. So LCM is 4. Okay, so it is going to be 3x minus 4x. So I'll get minus x by 4. Minus x by 4. Similarly, I'll find even a3 minus a2. Okay, what is a3? It is 9 by 16x minus, what is a2? 3 by 4x. Okay, yes, what is LCM? It is 16. Yes, correct. Now 16 into 1 16, so numerator 9x minus 4 into 4 16, so numerator is multiplied with a 4. 3 into 4 12x, so we'll get minus 3 by 16x. Okay, now you can see a2 minus a1, okay, is not equal to a3 minus a2, isn't it? So with this condition, what can you say? You can say this situation is not an AP. Okay, so you can write it is not an AP. It is not going to be an arithmetic progression. Okay, yes students, third question. You can see the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. Okay, so what are the key points? Okay, key points. So for the first meter of digging, it cost rupees 150. Okay, and rises by 50 means increases by 50 rupees for every 1 meter digging. Okay, subsequent means for the next 1 meter digging, for every next 1 meter digging, they are increasing the cost by 50 rupees. Okay, yes, now we need to check whether it forms an AP or not. Okay, so so I'll write the cost of digging. Okay, cost of digging, cost of digging for, okay, cost of digging for first meter. I'll take for the first meter. Okay, nothing but a1 shall I say, first term. Yeah. So for the first meter, how much it cost? Rupees 150. Rupees 150. Okay, fine. Next, for the second meter, which I indicate A2. Okay, they are adding, yes, for the second 1 meter digging. Okay, they are adding 50 rupees. It means 150 rupees for the first 1 meter, and for the second 1 meter they are adding 50 rupees. So total for 2 meters of digging, it is going to be rupees 200. It is going to be 200. Similarly, for third time, I mean for the third meter, it is A3 equal to, yes, again you need to add 50 rupees. Again you need to add 50 rupees. Yes, tell me total 150 plus 50, 200 plus 50, 250. So we are going to get 250 rupees. So finally I'll go with the fourth meter of digging. Okay, I'll indicate with A4. Yes, it is 150 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50. So we are going to get 300. You are going to get 300. Okay, so this is as per the given situation. Okay, now we need to find whether the difference between any two consecutive numbers results the same in every case. Okay, so first I'll take as A2 minus A1. Yes, tell me A2 200 minus 150, you are getting 50 rupees. Next A3 minus A2. Yes, tell me A3 minus A2, it is 250 minus 200, you are going to get 50. Similarly A4 minus A3, so again it is 300 minus 250, you are going to get 50. So it means in each case you are getting the difference same. Okay, so you can write okay, as common difference samanya vyathyasa. Okay, as common difference D is same. Okay, so you can say the given situation, okay, it forms an AP. It forms an AP. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll go with the next question. Okay, see the next question. So the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Okay, so first we will highlight the we'll highlight the important terms. Yes, deposited at the compound interest, which is very important. Compound interest and per annum. It is per annum. Okay. Now can you tell me how you find simple interest? Okay. See, to find simple interest, okay, we make use of PTR by 100, isn't it? PTR by 100. Okay. Principal, time, rate of interest and 100. Okay. So the difference in simple interest and compound interest is, in simple interest, every time the principal rupees is going to be same for every year, but whereas for the compound interest the principal rupees is going to change for every year. Okay, it means the compound interest, in simple words, interest on interest is called a compound interest, whereas in simple interest you get same interest every year, but in compound interest the interest rate will goes on increasing. That is the main difference. Okay, fine. Now so we will first find the amount. Okay, okay, yes, amount, okay, for the first year. Okay, amount for the first year. Okay, so it is nothing but A2. As A1 you can take as the given principal amount. Okay, the first principal amount is going to be A1. Okay, now amount for the first year means after the completion of first year, it is nothing but A2. Okay, the formula here you can use is P of 1 plus, okay, R by 100, okay, to the power N or T. Okay. Now so P principal 10,000, okay, 1 plus rate of interest 8 divided by 100. Okay, as it is for the first year, T value will be 1. Okay, now it is 10,000. Okay, now 1 you can write 1 by 1. Now you can go for cross multiplication. 1 into 100, 100 plus 8 into 1, 8. So total 108. Okay, by 100. 1. Okay, now so 2 zeros, 2 0 get cancelled. You will get 100 into 108. Yes, so you can multiply 108 into 1 is 108 and 2 zeros you can just add. Okay, it is 10,800 rupees the amount after first year. Okay, in the beginning, I mean the principal amount I will take it as a first term A1. Okay, and after the, I mean amount after the first year, nothing but A2 is going to be 10,800. Okay, one thing you remember, the simple interest and compound interest for the first year is going to be same, but whereas for the second year simple and compound interest are going to be different. Okay, now yes, amount, okay, for the second year means A3. Yes, tell me. Now the principal is this one, this is going to be the principal amount, not the 10,000. Okay, so the principal amount is 10,800. Okay, 1 plus rate of interest is remain same by 100 and it is for second year, so duration is going to be 2. Okay, now so it is 10,800. Yes, this one if you simplify you will get 108 by 100 square. Okay, so now 10,800 into, so square means I'll write twice, divided by 100 square means you will get 4 zeros, isn't it? Now 2 zeros cancel. Okay, now 108 square and 108, so 108 cube. Okay, it is 108 cube by 100. Okay, so you calculate 108 cube and then shift the decimal left by 2 positions. You are going to get 12,597. So you're going to get a 12,597. Okay. Similarly, I'll find amount. Okay. For the third year, I'll find the amount for the third year, represent as A4. Yes. Now this is going to be your principal. For the next year, this value is going to be the principal. Okay. So the principal amount is 12,597. Okay. 1 plus 8 by 100, and here duration is 3. Okay. Now, so I'll keep 12,597. Yes, this one again, it is going to be 108 cube divided by 100 cube. Okay. So so there is no cancellation of denominator and numerator terms. So you first cube the numerator, then multiply with the other factor, and then shift the decimal by 6 positions. As 100 cube means you will get a 10 lakh. Okay. So finally you are going to get the answer as 15,869. 869. You need to get 15,869. Okay. Now we have got 4 terms: A1, A2, okay, A3 and A4. Now we will see whether the common difference between the two consecutive terms is same or not. If it is same, it is going to be an AP. Okay, fine. So here I'll find so A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. What is A2? Okay, A2 is 10,800. Okay, minus A1 10,000. Okay, so difference is going to be 800, isn't it? Now again I'll take difference as A3 minus A2. Okay, what is A3? A3 is 12,597. Okay, minus what is A2? 10,800. Okay. So whenever you write the numbers, you have to write according to their digits. Okay. Now ones place, if you see, 7 minus 0, 7, 9 minus 0, 9, 5 minus 8 not possible, I will take carry, so it is going to be 15. 15 minus 8, again 7. Okay, and it is going to be 1. 1 minus 0, 1, and again 1 minus 1, 0. So you are going to get a 1797. Now you can observe A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Okay, so if the difference between any two consecutive numbers is not same in all the cases, then I can say yes, it is not an AP. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಆಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. So we have discussed 4 important questions related to arithmetic progression. Okay, so I hope you have understood, and in the next class I will give you more and more information about the topic. Okay, so in this video this much, and we'll continue in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.